My reason to come to China to learn in China because I know China have a highly advanced technology. So I come to China to learn some skill, some new skill, and some new language to help me find job in the future. The most impression when I come to China, it's some traditional activity like a Spring Festival, Dragon Boat Festival. In that festival, I can participate, like make some dumplings.
My school in Indonesia, they asked me, you want to come to China to learn about technology in China? I think, why not? Because I look the China technology is very good. Chinese technology is very good. Every year, more and more better. And then I also like Chinese culture, and that's why I want to learn in China. My Chinese teacher, I think this is very kindly for me. They are teach me step by step, one by one, and my Chinese friends also good.